My dear Shadi, my dear wife, my Sri Krishna carries a flute, Vamshidhari. Hari steals the chitta, the consciousness, the awareness of Nari. This is so nice. Vamshidhari Jagannari Chittahari. Vamshidhari Sri Krishna. Then Jagannari, Nari means ladies. All the ladies in the universe. Because the female parrot was saying, oh, this Krishna is bewildered by my Radharani. He's only one lady. But what about his bewildering power? He bewilders every lady in the whole universe, including your Radharani. It's called Prem Vivart. Prem Vivart. She becomes bewildered, Vivart. And she says, oh, Lalita, where is my Sham? And he's coming. Oh, there he is. He's in that tree. He's there. He's standing there under that tamal tree. And she runs, embraces the tree. But it's a tree. And the peacock sitting on the branches with his wings hanging down, tail feathers hanging down. She said, look, Krishna's standing under that tree. There's his peacock feather and his pagari and his turban. And she runs there and sees this glossy bark of the tamal tree. So she becomes bewildered also by Vamshidhari. Vihari Gopanari Bir Jiyan Marana Mohana. Krishna is especially the enjoyer of the beautiful gopis. And he is the enchanter of Cupid also. Let him be glorified. So this is competition. Shuk Shadi Samvad.